see, the time don't reach for you to do your own mixtape. You could release song, then come say me and Nedu will sing on top the beats. Featuring easy with featuring Nedu and Katim. Then we could do like that. Then Nedu, Nedu wait dance. We could come use some for that easy beat. Hey, you know say we could blow.
We go blow.
Anyway, good evening and welcome on Sunday Night Show for today. Will be February 6, 2015. My name is Nedu.
Like to announce date. Nedu, this is March, not be February. What did they do you now? I don't tell you. Know say I don't tell you before. Just leave the date now. Everybody knows it's on Friday. Nedu, no, they talk this date again. You go confuse people. Even Jesus self, you go confuse them. See, you hear say that February.
And you can talk about with pride. Anyway, good evening to the Night Show. Now welcome to today. Will be February.
Next today na March.
Good evening and welcome to the Night Show. For today, you know the date. Man, not put myself for trouble or put anybody for trouble. My name is Nedu, and as usual, me and Katim done ready today to discuss this way concerning relationship matter. Pastor here is supposed to be here today, but we don't know why in no day here now.
They don't kidnap.
The kidnap pastor, they're not fit now. They're not fit.
Nedu, things are not the same now. Time don't change.
No, they're not fit. No.
They're not fit.
Why do you talk like this?
They're not fit.
Why?
When he tell them say, no know me. Oh, now they do for night show. I know what they go.
We like your program.
We like your program. We like you, Pastor. We like you. They go say make it. They go.
Now come ask and what's me to the topic.
They will ask her. What people to the topic.
Then they go say make it.
Okay. Send you satisfaction. My brother, I suffer the same thing. Make I send you email.
I will greet Nedu and Katim.
I will greet Nedu and Katim. Tell ECB say it's soft. Tell ECB say ECB soft.
No, easy no soft today. Today na Friday.
Anyway, Pastor you know they're around. The topic on episode we want discuss yesterday before we can get two guests yesterday. We said we will discuss them next week. But if you not remember, sometime this week somebody called for the show. The person be asked for my email, say he want to discuss something really very very important with us before I can give her my email. But as the matter be now, the person go on top my Instagram message yesterday, today morning. Yesterday morning, go put the message for Instagram there. Naim and Katim and Izzy to reason this matter. We say it go make sense if we discuss this matter today, because as she take talk out, matter of
emergency.
Emergency.
No emergency. Oh.
No, emergency ain't go happen before emergency can come. Emergency.
If you don't grow well.
If you don't grow, emergency now the thing where they start.
Where they start.
You know, it's just emergency.
Okay.
So then when it don't come blow, when trouble don't dey, now it be emergency.
So now na emergency.
Na emergency. Now na emergency.
Okay, because
when it happen, now it be emergency.
Okay, now
all the emergency call.
Now if an emergency story or this thing where we see, so you go sorry the woman very well.
Well, you will send this message. He says Katim the thought say you go sorry for the woman. You will send this message. You go 50 colors for the show. You go 50 colors. Make you use your own mouth to take talk and make people hear how it matter be. But I go read the message where she sent. Now English, she take send them. I go read them like that. Then when we go break, come back, una go begin call. Make una tell us what you una go advise the girl make she do, or what you una go advise the step brother where do the thing make him do, so that matter go settle. Now see the message where she sent. She said, "Good morning, Nedu. I am okay. Make I not call her name. I have a problem that I would like you to share for me. I was born into a polygamous home, meaning say the papa marry more than one wife and then get other children. You see, my stepbrother forced me into sex when I was 6 years old, and he is 15. That time the guy na 15, and say the thing continued till 1998.
We don't know what age she
We don't know at what age she don't date, but that 1998. But the thing continue till 1998. So when she can't realize, say now that time she can't realize say the thing they very very bad. As she realized say the thing they very bad, she can't cause the stepbrother. As she caused the stepbrother, she caused it on the year 2008. The stepbrother left leg.
That 10 years after that.
10 years after she realized she can't cause the guy. Okay, after she don't cause the guy for 1998, then 10 years later, 10 years later, will be 2008. The stepbrother left leg paralyzed. You know, they use him again. They say the guy don't go all churches.
He go everywhere. He go
military hospital for healing to no avail, meaning say nothing. So the problem now be say, he don't tell the stepbrother, she don't tell the stepbrother, make the stepbrother up, I confess what he do give people. Say now when the everything go come out, make the guy go back to normal.
If the stepbrother confess, say, okay, I solemnly confess that now me do this thing. That's
say, but he said the guy refused to confess. So she said, make we chook mouth for the matter. On our way there, we don't know what to go talk for this matter. Now I make we say, okay, and I make she bring them, make una Nigerians where they there, make una call, make we know what una get to talk about this matter. Make she forgive the guy, release the guy from the course without the guy confessing, or make she still stay with the confessing where the guy will confess, or what do you think about the matter? Now, what we go discuss today, our phone numbers go there on top of TV very, very soon. But make we grab small chicken break for you, and we'll go hand over to Easy Beats. When we come back, we'll continue to go begin taking our calls by that time. When they come back, still on top of the night show.